Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to compare OMI, ECOMI to AXIE Infinity. Now, AXIE Infinity is another NFT token, the #1 NFT token in the space, and has had a phenomenal year this year. If you bought from the start of the year, you would be up minimum over $100,000, and that's from as little as $1,000 investment. Right, so people would have made hundreds of thousands on this project or millions. But what is the best project to buy right now? OMI or AXIE Infinity? Let's get into the video. Now, firstly, AXIE Infinity's price is currently $131 per coin. OMI is just above half a cent, as you guys can see. OMI is up for the day. AXIE Infinity is down so far for the day. But let's have a quick look. So AXIE Infinity, another NFT project. And as you guys can see, started the year around, I believe it was 50 cents. But let's just have a look from the start. Yes, 53 cents per coin. So from half $1 to currently $131. That is what you call one hell of an investment. Current market cap $8.6 billion. So in my opinion, still has a long way to go. Just because I believe that overall NFT space is severely undervalued. And that just goes to show you guys, think about it this way. This is the #1 NFT project. The market cap is not even at $10 billion, and it's ranked 24th in terms of overall cryptocurrency market cap. And here's where things get a bit different compared to OMI. So when it comes to total supply, 270 million coins, that's the max supply. And the circulating supply is currently $65.5 million in circulation. Right, and if we were to compare that to OMI, you will see again, this has produced over 26,000% so far for the year. OMI also has been incredible in terms of percentage gains, so do not get that confused. This is the second coin that has produced the most percentage returns, I believe second to AXIE Infinity, which is why we're comparing these two projects together. Now, as you guys can see, total supply 750 billion, circulating supply $250 billion a coin. So there is definitely huge differences when it comes to total supplies and circulating supplies. And most people, believe it or not, do prefer coins with lower coin supplies, because I guess this creates natural scarcity, which is why, of course, this has gone from 50 cents to $131 per coin, right? Whereas, OMI, let's say it was to produce similar returns, this could maybe go to 50 cents, $1, which is obviously the dream number for OMI. So yeah, that's of course from where we are currently, right? So would I prefer if this had a lower total supply? Yes, I would. So that's one thing that AXIE Infinity, in my opinion, has over ECOMI. I'm not quite sure why they did such a high coin supply, but we spoke about this, a few months ago, and I explained why, in fact, it shouldn't really matter that much long term, especially when we're just focusing on percentages, right? So AXIE Infinity, tick in terms of that. But let's talk about potential, right? The current market cap for OMI, wait for it, is $1.7 billion, right? $1.7 billion, AXIE Infinity $8.6 billion. So when we talk about projects that have a lot more room to grow, yes, I believe AXIE Infinity will have more room to grow. However, I believe that not only does OMI have a long way to go, but it's severely undervalued, right? 1.7 billion for a project like OMI is for me personally, this is with its premium digital license NFTs, the partnerships that it has so far, this in my opinion should be at least, to be conservative, a $4 to $5 billion market cap project. I believe it's very much undervalued. And again, guys, I'm not just being biased just because I was an early investor in this project. And of course, me, guys, I'm super bullish on OMI, but I'm not just saying that for the sake of it. I'm saying that based on its partnerships, based on its progress so far, and based on where it could potentially go by the end of the decade. Now, one thing to note when we're talking about this undervalued market cap is because of the exchange listings, right? So if you're looking for a project that is on major exchanges, has that trading volume, etc., then of course you are going to go for AXIE Infinity, as they are on all major exchanges, from Coinbase Exchange, from Binance, and the list goes on. So again, AXIE Infinity does also win in that department as well. But you're probably wondering at this point, it's not looking too good for OMI. But guys, this is where you've missed the point. It's OMI's lack of exchange listings, lack of market cap, that is undervalued in terms of market cap, is what makes this project exciting. This is what makes OMI the opportunity of the NFT space. Of course, guys, this project, and the reason why I'm not going to get too much into the actual projects themselves, because they're subjective, right? You may like NFTs, you might like the AXIE Infinity project itself just from the NFT standpoint, and then you may like ECOMI premium digital NFTs as from a subjective standpoint. But we don't want to get into the battle of the NFTs. I don't believe that will be productive in this video, because we all have our own individual taste. So let's put that aside. AXIE Infinity would be one of the best NFT projects to buy right at the start of this year, because of, as I just said, $1,000 would have made you well over $100,000 in this project. So yes, a play from the start of the year would have been the best option, but we're talking about now, guys. We're talking about right now. AXIE Infinity is a solid project in my opinion and still has a long way to go. But let's scroll down. OMI, in my opinion, is where the opportunity is. Could we be looking at the next 100x going into 2022, right? We still have a long way to go in terms of market cap. So is this the next big project, right? We saw what happened with Sand so far. This is another gem in our NFT watch list. But when we talk about coins that are yet to move, are yet to grip the NFT space by storm and dominate the NFT space, OMI, in my opinion, is where the real opportunity is, guys. And guys, you know how objective I am when it comes to my analysis and picking the coins in my portfolio. I don't need to be biased here. I don't need to just, I'm not pushing any agendas so far, but based on what I've spoken about in the video, which one looks like the better opportunity? The one that has already done 100x, well over 100x, or the coin that is still severely undervalued, where we haven't even got any real major exchange listings yet, right? That itself should show you, what a big opportunity this is. And it's not like I'm speaking to you about a coin that hasn't got, any real value. This is a coin that has a partnership with Marvel, partnership with Disney, a partnership with Comic-Con and so many other major projects. So this project, from a fundamental standpoint, is actually far advanced than the actual technicals that we can see in front of us. And that's why we are super bullish on OMI. And in my opinion, in this video, I believe I've proven that ECOMI right now is a better NFT play than AXIE Infinity. Now, of course, guys, I would like to hear your comments. Some of you may say, yeah, but you know, AXIE Infinity is now proven. It's proven. It's the #1 player, right? As you just said, market cap, or now just below $8 billion. This can easily hit 20 billion. I'd rather go for this than to go for OMI that hasn't got any real major exchanges or anything like that. And of course, guys, that's up to you. But me, I know where I believe the real the next wave of capital will flow in the NFT space, and I'm again banking on OMI as well as some other NFT projects as well. But before I continue, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, click the bell notification icon so you can stay up to date on all my recent videos. Remember, guys, nothing that you see in this video is financial advice, so always make sure to do your own independent research. And with that being said, pause the video, click the link in my description, and join the Telegram group if you'd like to stay up to date on all our latest updates, news updates, technical updates, and much, much more. Did you enjoy this video? Would you like to see more battles of the NFTs? Maybe we should go into AXIE Infinity and OMI NFT projects, or will that get a bit messy? Guys, let me know what you would like to see next. Would you like to see me maybe compare OMI with Sand, OMI with Flow, or would you like to see OMI with another undervalued NFT project, and one that we have in mind and that we're already in play in our Crypto Crew Premium channel? Let me know. But for now, with that being said, like, comment, and subscribe. But until the next video, seize the day.